Hello and welcome to this Transload tutorial video. Today, I will demonstrate how to build pallet without sorting. This video is for Transload mode number 5, which is building pallet without sorting. Here are the basic settings. A destination is not required for this Transload mode. For this mode, you can send the order by EDI, or you can create it manually. For this scenario, I'm going to create it manually. For this mode, it's suited for single items. Once the container comes in, you can start by checking in with the RN number. Click Live Delivery. Add receipt. When you add the receipt, you can search by the RN number or by the container number. Select the assignee and the loading dock. Once you check in, the system will generate a window check-in number. When you open the app, you will receive a Transload receive task. Click Start Receive Task. Scan the entry number. Select a dock. The first thing you have to do is set the staging location. Click Add the product. For this transload, it's only a single product with 1,000 cases. If you want to build a pallet of 500, under the pallet quantities, it's 500 per pallet. Enter how many pallets you want to build. Then build 2, which totals 1,000 cases. For each pallet, specify how many labels you want to print. Some scenarios require 1 pallet label on each side of the pallet. If you need just 1, then print 1. Take a photo if needed. Print the label. If you click on Review, you will see for this transload it includes 1,000 cases and has received 1,000 cases, with each pallet containing 500 cases. When you're done, just click on and close the task. The second step is to create a load. Go to Load and click Add a Transload load. When the courier comes to pick up this load, you can use this load to do the window checking. Now, you need to input the destination for this load and the ship to address. Click Live Load. Add the load. Select the assignee and the loading docks. Once completed, check in. Check in the window check-in number. On the app, you will receive a Transload load task. This is load number 32. Click Start Load Task. Scan the check-in number. Select the loading dock. On the receiving side, we have built 2 pallets. Then all you have to do is scan those 2 pallets. So once you've finished loading everything, all the pallets click complete load, and you have successfully finished the transload. You can close the task. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please explore our extensive library of tutorial content.